Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will show you how to retouch jewelry product using AI. Let's get started. Firstly, go to the ChatGPT, open the file and type the prompt. Retouch this jewelry product high-end and shiny retouch. And press the enter or click and go to the Google Flow, upload the image and paste the prompt and now hit the enter. Wait the some time. Now check the my jewelry product is finished retouch. Download this product. Check the product is retouched professionally. Now check the flow image. This one is also good. Download this on. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.